Still trying to work this out. How did Penny meet an astronaut?
I don't know. The regular way people meet astronauts.
Most of those guys live in Texas.
Obviously, this one doesn't.
Okay.
Leonard lives here. Priya's from India. People meet our God.
Fine.
You've met lots of astronauts, and I've never grilled you about that. I thank you to extend me the same courtesy.
I'm not grilling you. I was just curious.
I still can't get over the fact that she got a big movie part. Not that I care what my ex-girlfriend's up to, because I don't.
Maybe that's where she met the astronaut, all right?
I'm sorry, what would an astronaut be doing working on a movie?
He's a consultant?
Thought the movie was about 18th century Vienna.
He can't have a hobby? Excuse me, I have to pee. Or is that